Hello, our topic for today is types of verbs. So actually there are two types of verbs. Number one, main verbs. Number two, auxiliary verbs, which are also known as helping verbs. Hello everyone, this is Fazal. Welcome to my YouTube English learning channel. So first, what are main verbs? Words that actually shows the action or activity of subject. These verbs can stand alone without any help of others. For example, run, read, eat, sleep, etc. All these verbs can exist alone and independently. It will provide complete meaning. For example, if I say run, someone will start running. If I say eat, they will start eating. So, if it is used alone, it can function like a sentence. Now just take some sentence examples. He runs. Runs is the main verb here. They read. Here, read is main verb, which gives us the complete sense as their activity is reading. Now look at auxiliary verbs. It is also known as helping verb because it helps the main verb of a sentence. It also play a key role in identifying tense of a sentence. तमाम 12 टेंसेस का कॉन्सेप्ट समझने के लिए मेरी वीडियो ज़रूर देख लें, जिससे आप इंतहाई इंटरेस्टिंग और आसान तरीके से तमाम टेंसेस की बुनियाद सीख सकते हो, हमेशा याद रहने की गारंटी के साथ, वो भी सिर्फ 10 मिनट में। वीडियो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। Auxiliary verb gives more meaning to the main verb. They cannot stand alone. They require more verbs to give complete sense and meaning. Auxiliary verbs are is, has, had, was, do, did, which directly helps main verbs. And will, shall, can, may, could, might, must, etc. are also known as modal auxiliary verbs, which I will elaborate in next lecture in detail. Now take some sentences. He was. What he was? It doesn't make any sense. If we put main verb with helping verb was, then it will give us complete meaning. For example, he was reading. Another example is bus may. What may? It isn't giving the complete meaning. For complete meaning, we have to put main verb with it. For example, bus may stop. Here, helping verb may adds to the main verb stop and gives the complete meaning. Now put the main verb and auxiliary verbs in the same sheet. Main verb shows activity of subject. It can stand alone. Examples are run, read, eat, sleep. For example, he runs. They read. She eats. Auxiliary verb gives more meaning to the main verb. It cannot stand alone. Examples are is, has, had, was, etc. Are, will, shall, would, could, must, etc. For example, he has completed the verb, where has helps the main verb complete it. She will come. Could I ask, where could helps ask. It's all for today. If it was helpful, then must share it. Thank you so much.